adding and subtracting tens today. But first, here's our get ready questions. Pause the video to have a look. How did you get on with those? Adding two odd numbers? The total will be odd? Never. When you add two even numbers, the total will be odd? Never. When you add an odd number and an even number, the total will be odd? Always. Let's see if we spot any in today's lesson. It's Whitney's grandma's birthday, so Whitney gets some balloons out. She has these balloons at home already. How many balloons does she have? Oh yes, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 balloons. Do you think that's enough for Whitney's grandma? No, Whitney would like one balloon for every year that her grandma's been alive. So she goes to the shop and she picks up 2 more packs of balloons. How many balloons does Whitney have now? Pause the video to have a think. That's right, we knew she had 40 when she had 4 packs, so we could carry on counting in tens. We've got 40 and then 50, 60 balloons. Brill, she got 60 balloons. You might have noticed as well that 4 packs add 2 packs is 6 packs. And because they're tens, 4 tens plus 2 tens is 6 tens, 60. That's another way you could have done it. Whitney takes her balloons home to show her mum, and her mum says, "Whitney, 60 balloons? We won't fit in the room with your grandma and 60 balloons. How about we use 30? Pause the video here to have a think about how many balloons Whitney will have left if she uses 30. Well, she had 60 to start with. And if we count back 10, we get to 50. And count back another 10, we get to 40. And count back another 10, which will be 3 tens, we get to 30. She'll have 30 balloons left. You might have noticed that 3 packs and 3 packs make 6 packs. So if we use 30 balloons, that's 3 packs. So therefore, Whitney will have 3 packs left over. 30 balloons. Whitney's at school and she's doing some addition. What's the calculation that Whitney's got to do here? Well, I can see 1 10 and 4 ones plus 1 10 and 0 ones. So 14 plus 10 is equal to... Let's move the number shapes around a little bit. We put them together and we've got 1 10, 4 ones and 1 10. Let me just move them around again. That's better. I can clearly see, if I'm thinking about tens and ones, that I've got 2 tens and 4 ones. 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. This time, Whitney's got 2 tens and 5 ones, plus 2 tens and 0 ones. So that is equal to... Well, altogether, if we think about tens and ones, I can see 4 bundles of 10 and 5 ones. 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. It's your turn now. Have a go at questions 1 to 3 on the worksheet. But what about subtraction? Here I've got 23, and I want to subtract 20. When we were adding 20, we moved down our 100 square. So when we subtract, we move up our 100 square. But where will we end up? Pause the video here to have a go. That's right. 23 minus 20 takes us back to 3. We can see that on the 100 square. And also, if we look at our base 10, we're just removing the 2 tens. So we're left with 3 ones. 23 subtract 20 is equal to 3. Annie is going to do some adding and subtracting with tens. She's starting off with 25, so she gets herself 2 tens and 5 ones. Now, she's going to add 30. How many ones will she need from the base 10 box? That's right, she won't need any ones. She remembers from yesterday. We started with 66 and we added 10. The tens increased by 1 to 7, but the ones stayed the same, 6, 76. And then we added another 10, and the tens increased by 1 again to 8, but the ones stayed the same, 6, 86. And it would be the same if we were subtracting. 86 subtract 10 would be 76. The 6 ones always stays the same. And how many tens will she need? That's right, 3 tens. 25 plus 30 is the same as 25 plus 3 tens. Here's our last bit for today. The red sweets are worth 10, or 1 ten. The green sweets are worth 30, or 3 tens. And the lollipops are worth 50, or 5 tens. So something is equal to a green sweet and a red sweet. Pause the video here to have a go. Did you get it? 3 tens plus 1 ten is equal to 4 tens, or 40. What about this one? Be careful with that operation. It's not addition. Did you notice it was subtraction? So we've got 5 tens, subtract 3 tens, which is equal to 2 tens, or 20. It's useful thinking about them as 5 tens and 3 tens. Good luck for the rest of the work you do today.